In this video I'm going to be showing you how I was scribing a joint for a loft beam above my head while it was in the air, and then taking it down, fitting it, and then taking it back up and making sure it fits just right. G'day, welcome to Chestnut Nags Tools in Japan. My name's 𝗠𝗱, and this is the latest video that I'm doing in a series documenting the building of my workshop using techniques that were used in prehistory way up until the modern era in Japan, but also elsewhere around the world. In fact, in many parts of the world, they're still building in this way. Now, just a quick update of where we're at. This workshop is being built with poles. It's eventually going to have a thatched roof. In the last few videos, we've been putting the frame up, and in the last two videos, I showed how I was lifting the beam up and holding it in place, and how I was making sure it was level. But right now, the beam's up in the air, it's held there. I need to mark the joints, take it down, rough them in, and then get the beam back up there to do the fine fit.
Gotcha.
Now, for this to work properly, the winding sticks have to be perpendicular to the log, and they can't be perpendicular to the log in the mortise, so I've just got a little block there to lift it up. So now we get that lined up, perpendicular. Now we can see how level those mortises are with each other. So we've got this first one. We want to line it up with the one at the back there. Geez, that looks pretty good. How about that?
Okay. Confession I've got to make. I left out a couple of steps because I don't know how, but the camera footage is gone. Once I'd roughed in the joint so that it was just beginning to fit around the poles, I then used a saw to finally cut and finally fit the joint. And that was how I basically got the really good fit, not with the chiseling. And the other thing I wanted to point out was that when the beam was suspended, I was able to swing it out from behind the pole, bring it to the front of the pole so that I had the pole behind the beam to support it while I was chiseling. And those ropes just made it moving backwards and forwards so I could fit it multiple times. As you saw, really, really simple. I didn't have to take it down and then bring it back up again, and that made things a lot faster. But again, I didn't have a wide shot to show you that, so I'm really sorry about that. In coming videos, I've got to get the rest of the loft beams in, which you actually can see behind my head. Also, I've started stockpiling the thatch ready to go on the roof. So much work to go, but geez, I'm having fun. And if you want to follow along with the progress, make sure you subscribe, make sure you hit the bell notification. And also, I have got a box due from Japan. It should already be here, so there'll be video coming out on a new unboxing video very, very soon, and that's got some pretty cool stuff in it. So hope you enjoy that. I'll catch you guys soon.